Mama Ellen today. Mama Ellen, today we are coming to your place. Yeah. So I have some things for you, Mama Ellen. Because the other day you told me this thing for pasta you don't have. I told you I have 10 pieces at home. Yes, I have 10 pieces at home, and so I'll give you 2. Yeah, I'll give you 2. I told you don't buy it. I'll bring it for you. And so we will be coming to you very soon, Mama Ellen. So I'll bring some things over there so that I'll prepare some food so that we eat together. You understand? Because I have to cook. I have to cook before I eat. So that's it. So be expecting us. So if you need anything, also tell me. I will send this video to you now. If you need anything, tell me so that I will add it to it. I'll add it to so that I'll bring it. Because there are other things that I will add to it. But let me just rush and take my bath so that I will take it. So, Mama Ellen, we are going to shake your home now. We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. Bella, we love you. So, we are coming very soon. Then you have everything for yourself. Love you, Bella. Because I'm having 3 Milo at home, I took one. The plantain that I bought, I took some. I'll put other things also. This one is the starch and other things. You understand? My daughter said I should give you one of these, but I said I have 10 pieces, and so let me just give you 2. You keep it. If one got spoiled, you use the other one. Love you. Mwah.